Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This is Orgain, the perfect meal. Guys, I've been using the Orgain products for probably about 2 years now, and they are absolutely fantastic. It is a perfect meal. It'll keep you full, and it has 80 plus superfoods in there. It's got 25 grams of organic plant-based protein and 10 grams of fiber, and a lot of other stuff in there. But guys, this has been a wonderful product. Let you see some of the nutritional facts here and what the cleaner ingredients are. And guys, it's just got a whole bunch of stuff in it that's really good for you. And it'll keep you, well, it keeps me full from breakfast probably till about maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it keeps me full for quite a while. But guys, it's a healthy meal replacement. And I like it very much. Anyway, guys, that's your review for today. Make it a great day.